Okay guys, if the police comes here now, I can't do anything, but I will say that I'm looking for my son's toy. I put the flashlight here with the video, guys, so everybody can see that I don't want to be hidden by anyone. But I'd like to find my son's freaking toy. I'll kill him if I don't find it. Because my wife is already angry at me because of that little... I don't know what I'm gonna call him, but I still love him, of course. Still, guys, wish me luck. Okay, we were here. Hey, the sea is coming high now. Okay, we were more or less around here today. So, if nobody took our car, it should be here. Wait, I see something. No. Damn, guys. I'm gonna have to close the video. Bless you people, love you very much.